It's a cold night tonight, and it's going to stay that way.
That's right. And to add on top of that, we got more snow coming. Mary Kay's here with the news.
And it looks like it's going to be a light event for us, but I do want to set you up of what to expect, because tonight would be light snow for us. Tomorrow night and then again Friday night, we have chances for freezing rain because the temperature is going to be rising each day, and we have daytime highs then above the freezing mark. And by the time the main system comes in Saturday, we could have rising river problems. The snow melt, the heavy rain we expect could create some localized flooding for the front half of the weekend. Here's what we expect this evening. Just a few flurries through 7 o'clock. Then as we get into 9 o'clock, especially the midnight hour, that's when we see that light snow chance increasing for us. But right now we just have cloud cover. It's cold enough for it to fall as snow. 26 degrees is our current temperature. I have the radar set into motion so you can see how everything is moving from the west to the east. And it looks like it's snowing now from Rockford through LaSalle County, but it's not making contact with the ground. We have very dry air in the lowest levels of the atmosphere. So even though it looks like Kingston, DeKalb, and Big Rock is getting some snow, it is just cloudy there as far as reports go, but we could see flurries over the next hour. LaSalle and into Ottawa here, it looks like over the next hour you may start to see flurries, but it's going to take a while to get the lowest levels of the atmosphere to moisten up. And when we look at the different computer models for the forecast overnight, the Canadian one wants to paint out an inch, but I think the others are probably closer to reality, because there's not a lot of moisture to work with overall with this system. In fact, as we look at futurecasts through the night, 1 a.m. is when we could start to see that snow pick up. It may linger for the early part of the rush, and I think areas favored north of I-88, especially along the Wisconsin border. This is 7 a.m. tomorrow. That's where we could see a better coverage of some light snow, but by 9 a.m. it starts pulling away, and by noon things are quiet and our day is mostly cloudy. Now the snowfall forecast, I would say an inch or less for that area north of I-88 and places north along the Wisconsin border. And when we look out the plot of models here, we could see a ½ inch maybe in Waukegan and McHenry and at O'Hare. And then as you go south, things are much quieter because we'll probably just have light snow showers around. So just know that as we move through the night, that snow chance does increase, 25 for the low. And then tomorrow, look at that temperature. We go above freezing with mostly cloudy skies. And then we're going to watch for that chance tomorrow night and Friday night again. So those are nighttime events of a few freezing rain showers. But Saturday is the heavy rain, and we're concerned with that for the rising rivers because of the snow melt that'll be available with that 47-degree high. So a windy, wet start to the weekend. Rob and Erica?
Duly noted there, Mary Kay. Thank you.